It's your birthday, Liam. You're 2 years old.
Let Liam open the presents, right? I know, I'm opening the box and then we're going to sit right here.
Yay, Liam. Hi, say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm 2 years old. Hi. Oh, Liam, look what's over there.
Oh, wow.
Liam, you got a present.
That's for you, Liam. It's a present from Grandma.
Oh, boy, Liam.
Wait, no.
Liam, what's going on?
Liam. Wow.
What's going on? Curly.
Hey, no. Okay. No, it's for Liam.
Oh boy, Liam.
To
you.
Happy birthday to Liam. Happy birthday to Liam. Happy birthday to you.
Stay over here. Sit right here by Daddy. Sit down.
No. This is Liam. See? Liam, you rip it right there.
Sit right here so we can record. Look at, you can see it on this
Rip it
camera.
open, Liam. You rip it open. Here, look. There you go.
See, watch.
Rip it
We'll
open.
put it on the camera so Grandma can see.
Is that fun? Rip it open. You like the bow? You like the bow? Yeah. No. This is for Liam's birthday. Here, Liam. What's that?
Ooh.
No! You let Liam, it's his birthday.
There you go, Liam.
Here you go, rip the paper. Rip the paper. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Rip the paper.
There.
Yay! Rip the paper. Good boy! Rip. Yay! What's that? What's that? It's for Liam to open. Like you can open it. Yeah. What's that? Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on. Rip it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Rip it. Rip it. What's that? What's that? Oh, you really? No. That's Liam's. Wow, Liam, look at that. Oh, you like it? Yeah, you like it. Yeah, that is for Liam's toy. Liam, what are these? Liam, what's this? What's that? Look at that. Elmo book for you. Wow. You smarten. You share. It's Liam's birthday. Liam gets an alligator toy. Yeah, you like it?
You want that alligator, don't you?
There you go. Yeah, that's for Liam. No, that's Liam's. Yeah, there. You let Liam play with it. head for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hard for you.
More stuff.
It's hard. Wow, look at Liam. Look at.
That's so cool.
You will wait. Yes.
Are you scared of it, Liam?
I think he's not. Here, look at Liam.
Elia, that is
Liam.
Liam.
Liam, look. Liam, look. Like it. Push it down. Push it down. Push. Push it down. Look it. To a special boy. To a special boy. Happy birthday, Liam. No, this is Liam's. That is Liam's toy. You don't fight over it. Tia, you take a turn. Okay? Come here, panties.
We're here.
Let's read the card. Time for birthday cake again. Balloons and games and fun. A birthday is a special day when you're the special one. Happy birthday. Warm hugs and kisses, great grandma. Great grandma, happy birthday. Yay.
Try hard.
What's that, Liam?
No, that's Liam's toy. That's Liam's. You want that? You can have it. You know what Mommy got you? You want to decorate some cookies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't get a book and an alligator.
No. No.
You look at the book? This is Liam's. One.
No.
This is Liam's toy. This is Liam's toy. I know it's hard for you. I know that's hard for you. It's Liam's toy. You can go sit in your bed. Yes, you can go sit in your bed.
Liam? Hi. How old are you today? Mattia, don't pick your nose. Mattia, how old is Liam today? Yeah, how old is he?
15.
No, he's not that old. He's 2. 2 years old.
You stay there. You are not going to take his toy.
Give it, Liam. Woo! Is that funny? Look, Liam. There's your toy.
Elia? No. Elia? Is it your birthday? Are you two? Say thank you. Say thank you. You want a book?
Yeah.
Hi, Kevin.
Funny people. One of them here.
Destroying the toys later. Let's do it while we're there.
Okay. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
You sit there.
Say bye, Liam.
You sit there.
Bye-bye.